Hey everyone, welcome to the ByteBazaar channel. Today we're building a powerful and balanced PC for those who want high FPS in games and strong multi-core performance for streaming, rendering, and productivity. Each part has been carefully selected, modern, upgradable, and built to last. Let's get started. We begin with the brain of the system, AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. With 6 cores and 12 threads, it's excellent for both gaming and multitasking. It boosts up to 5.3 GHz, built on the Zen 4 architecture, and supports the latest AM5 socket. With PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 support, this CPU is not just built for today, it's built for the future. Now for the performance beast, NVIDIA RTX 5070. Powered by the new Ada Lovelace architecture, this GPU delivers 100 plus FPS at ultra settings in 1440p gaming. You get DLSS 3.5, ray tracing, and 12 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory, all packed into this powerful card. In short, top-tier visuals, buttery smooth performance. A fast system needs a fast drive. The crucial P310 SSD with PCIe Gen 4 interface offers speeds up to 5,000 megabytes per second read and 4,200 megabytes per second write. Booting Windows, just 5 seconds. Loading games, practically instant. We've chosen Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 memory. 16 gigabyte capacity, blazing 5,200 megahertz speed, perfect for gaming, streaming, and video editing. Since it's a single stick, future upgrades to 32 gig dual channel are super easy. To hold it all together, we have the ASUS Prime B650M-R. With AM5 socket, DDR5, and PCIe 5.0 support, it's a solid foundation. High-speed USB ports, stable BIOS, and excellent durability, ASUS never disappoints. A reliable PSU is essential. The Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 watt delivers up to 90% efficiency, fully modular cables, and quiet operation. It's future-ready too, enough power for future GPU upgrades. And now, the case that ties it all together, the Montech X3 Mesh. It comes with 6 fixed RGB fans, 3 140mm at the front, 3 120mm on top and rear. The mesh front panel ensures great airflow, and the RGB lighting makes it look stunning. So, what can you expect from this build? Cyberpunk 2077, ultra settings with DLSS on 90, 110 FPS Call of Duty Warzone, over 120 FPS. Blender rendering with CPU+GPU acceleration. Up to 30% faster times, perfect for gaming, content creation, and long-term use. Alright folks, that's today's build. You can find full part comparisons, price trends, and purchase links inside the ByteBazaar app. If you liked this setup, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own build in the comments. See you in the next system build video. Take care, and happy gaming.